Hey, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. What are browser plugins? These things that are added to web browsers can definitely enhance your web browsing experience, but at the same time, plugins are what allow malware and viruses to infect your computer, namely your web browser. So what can you do to make sure that you don't have malware as a plugin in your web browser? We're going to take a look at the top web browsers out on the market for both Windows and Macintosh computers and find out how to look at our plugins and how to disable those if we've got malware attached. Let's take a look. All right, so we've got Internet Explorer open right now, which is the current top browser still with Windows. Microsoft Edge is starting to come in, but Internet Explorer is still the king of browsers for Windows-based computers. If you want to see if you've got plugins enabled in Internet Explorer, it's pretty simple. If you click on the cog in the upper right hand corner of Internet Explorer 11, if you click on the cog and then go to Internet Options, let's go ahead and cancel out of that. There's also another way that you can do that as well. If you've got the menu bar enabled in Internet Explorer, you can definitely just click on Tools and then from the menu go to Internet Options. So again, you can click on the cog or you can click on the menu bar. Once you're in the Internet Options menu, you want to click on Programs and then you want to click on Manage Add-ons. Once you're in the Manage Add-ons section of your browser for Internet Explorer, you can definitely see all of the programs that are blocking or that are running in the background. And most of these, like Adobe and Microsoft Office, we realize are legitimate programs. So there's nothing malicious that we need to take out of the browser plugins. Things that you want to look in for plugins that are malicious are coupon programs that manage to or promise to clean up your computer. So those are the things that we're looking for. Next, we're going to go to Firefox, which obviously is available for both Windows and Macintosh computers. There's the most common way to get into plugins would be to go to Tools and then go to Options under Firefox. And then once you're under Firefox, you can click on Applications and it'll show you a list of all the programs that are running in the background. And as you can see, all of these programs are pretty legit. So let's go ahead and get out of Firefox. Our next browser that we want to look at is Google Chrome. Now Google Chrome, you definitely want to check for Chrome for browser information because Chrome is notorious for having plugins for that contain malware. So in Chrome, what you want to do is go over to the hamburger menu. Once you're in the hamburger menu, you want to go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, you want to go to Extensions, and Chrome's got a list of all the extensions that are running in the background. And most of these are legitimate. The only one that I would get rid of would be Norton Internet Safe or Identity Safe. So to disable that plugin, we just click on the trash can. It's going to ask if we want to remove that, and we tell it to remove, and it's gone. So a pretty simple way to check and see if you've got any malicious activity, because viruses do attack web browsers now. Since most people do their surfing on the internet, obviously, our browser is the best way to get in and infect a computer. One of the other things that you can check, we'll go to Microsoft Edge, which is currently Microsoft's browser. So we have Edge open, and Edge really doesn't accept plugins, which is great. But if you wanted to clear out your history, you can definitely click on the menu bar here at the top. Once you're at the menu bar, you can go to Settings, and then once you're under Settings, you can go to Choose What to Clear. Then once you're under Choose What to Clear, you can click all of these options, and it'll definitely reset Microsoft Edge back to factory default. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to make sure that your web browsers don't have any pesky plugins on the computer. As always, thanks for watching. You can always check our YouTube videos at Integral Onsite Computer Repair at YouTube. You can check us out on Facebook at Integral Onsite and Online Computer repair or tech support. And take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile.